Chiropractic is a healthcare profession that deals with the manipulation of the neck and spine. It focuses on disorders of the musculoskeletal system and the nervous system. Chiropractors medically manipulate the neck and spine of their patients in order to cure minor problems or to help heal major injuries. These problems include back pain, neck pain, and pain in the joints of the arms or legs, and headaches. People who should look into chiropractic are athletes. Many athletes don't know the benefits of chiropractic adjustment. Chiropractors can help athletes with neck and spine injuries. They use the concept that your body has a powerful self-healing ability. This should attract athletes who have injuries that they want to heal quickly. All athletes should look into the benefits of getting adjusted. Chiropractors help injuries with their hands-on techniques, and they may suggest physical therapy for more training in order to get your strength back and to help you get back on the field in a timely manner. Chiropractic is a well-known practice, but it has not been widely accepted as a medical practice. However, it should be. Chiropractic adjustment can help injuries, pain, and headaches. Chiropractic adjustment can help anyone with neck and spine injuries, especially athletes. So next time you have a neck or spine injury, visit a chiropractor for adjustment.